Hello, today we're going to cook a Boston butt on the pellet grill smoker, Pit Boss Pellet Smoker. We have about an 8-pound Boston butt that I got at the local meat market, and we're going to use just a basic mustard base. No, you don't taste the mustard at all, but you want to apply it liberally. Basically, it just holds the seasoning on the meat. Apply an abundant amount of mustard, that way it will stick. You apply the mustard liberally. Like I said, you don't taste the mustard once it's cooked. Cover it real good. Flip it over. Rub it up real good there. Gotta make sure you get all the sides. Alrighty, looks like we have enough mustard on there. Covered completely. Take my gloves off. There we go. And you can use, there's several different rubs out there that you can use. I like bone sucking sauce. It is, this one's for steak, but it makes a good seasoning for a rub as well for a Boston butt. I don't want it to overpower the butt, so I just put it on a light coating all over the Boston butt. Make sure you cover all sides of your Boston butt. Like I said, you want it liberally, but not overpowering. Put it up here. This will be a 8-hour smoke on the Pit Boss Pellet Smoker. And we'll go out, when we get done seasoning it, we'll go outside and we will apply it to the Pit Boss. Some seasonings that I have tried, I won't name any names or tell any brands, but are very salty. And this one is not. It does not have an overpowering salt taste. This is what I like to use on pretty much everything. Bone sucking sauce. This one's for steak, but I'm putting it on the Boston butt because it is a really good seasoning. Okay, we are ready to put this on the smoker. Like I said, you want to put a liberal amount, but don't overwhelm the butt. Because later on, when we pull it off, I want to make barbecue out of it with some barbecue sauce that I bought last weekend. Let's go outside and put this on the smoker. All right, we're ready to put our Boston butt on the Pit Boss Pellet Smoker. You can use several different kinds. They have the cherry, they have apple, pecan pellets. I filled the hopper up. It is completely full of, I like to use B&B brand. It's called the Championship Blend. It's got pecan, cherry, and post oak in it. But we're gonna put this on here on the smoker for about 8 hours at 250 degrees for 8 hours. Give or take, and we'll just check it periodically. Gonna put it directly right here in the center, and I'm gonna put the fat side down. There's not much fat on this Boston butt, but I'm gonna put the fat side down. We're gonna put our meat probe in. The bone will give you a totally different temperature. So make sure you stick it all the way in, but don't hit the bone. And we are ready to go. We'll check back periodically throughout the day and see how she's doing. Once again, it's 250 degrees in approximately 8 hours. Okay, we are 2 hours in, and let's see how the Boston butt's looking. Oh, it's looking good. Looking real good. Alrighty. The temperature is about 200 to 250, and but the internal temperature, we're about 97 degrees on the meat internal temperature. Our goal is to, when this thing's finished, we'll pull the bone right out of the middle of it. We'll check back in a little while. Okay, here we are. It is about 8 o'clock at night, and our internal meat temperature is 184 degrees. We're getting close. Let's have a look at it and see how it looks. Oh yeah. Looking good, looking good. Yeah, we'll give it maybe about another 30 minutes and we'll see how it looks. Alrighty, it's been about 8.5 hours now, and we have reached 191 degrees on the internal temperature. So I think it is time to pull this. Oh yeah, looks great. All right, we'll pull it off, take it inside, and have a look at it inside. All right, here we go. It is officially ready, and we're going to wrap some aluminum foil over the top of it, let it sit for about 30 minutes, and then we will start pulling it. Okay, we've let it cool for about 30 minutes, wrapped in aluminum foil, keep the moisture in. And now we're going to start pulling it and see how it does. I have these meat claws. They work wonders. Hold it down, dig it in, and just pull. Start raking the meat, and it just starts pulling it apart. Makes it a whole lot easier once we get the bone out right here. It's a little hot still on the inside. There's the bone. Nice and tender. Look at that. We're going to wrap this overnight and let it sit in the fridge just because it's late at night. And tomorrow we're going to add some barbecue sauce, a special blend that I picked up this last weekend. It is, I want to say it's habanero mango. A little bit of sweet, a whole lot of spicy. Hope you enjoyed, and go smoke something.